Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Achiro Agnes Otie, a medical student from Gulu University. Today we are going to see how we can really create a Microsoft Excel in our computer. Microsoft Excel is a very broad software that is always deals with calculations. It deals with data which has figures. It is always used in budgeting or making a budget. Microsoft Excel is also used by those who really wants to make calculation, especially in financial records or in school, whereby maybe a teacher wants to prepare a report card for his or her student. He can use a Microsoft Excel worksheet to make his work very easy, because there you can really make calculation. You can be in position to get the average of each student. You can be also in position to do the ranking, give the average, and also positioning these students according to how they have done the examination. So Microsoft Excel is very important in making those calculations. So let's go straight away to the different ways of opening a Microsoft Excel in your computer. Basically, we are going to open a Microsoft Excel through two ways. One way is that you bring your cursor in the desktop here, then you right click, then you go to new. When you go to new, there you see very many menu coming up. You look for Microsoft Excel worksheet, then you tap on it. So you will have created your Microsoft Excel worksheet here. So you can open that and be in position to use the sheet. So this is one way of opening a Microsoft Excel in your computer. Another way of opening a Microsoft Excel is you coming here to the start bar here. You click that. So if you see any program here like Microsoft Excel, you can come onto it. If it is already displayed there, you can open. Or if it is not displayed there, you can just type and you search for it. So you can also come at the toolbar here. You find the symbol Microsoft Excel. You click onto it and you'll be in position to open your Microsoft Excel. So when you come to a Microsoft Excel worksheet, you find that it has columns, which are this one running from up to down, and it's level from number 1 until maybe the last number. So it is moving in a vertical from top to bottom. This is what we call column. Then when you go to the other end, you will find there is also a line which is running horizontally. It is from A maybe up to Z. So this line is what we call the rows. So the combination of the row and the column is what we call the cells in Microsoft Excel. That is what we give the name to. So when you want to use a Microsoft Excel, you can just come here at the row or in the first column or in the first row, and you type what you need. You can put your figures there. If you need calculation, you come to the formula here, and a different application of making your calculation easy will be shown there. Then you will pick what you really need. If you need addition, you need multiplication, you need subtraction, you will be in position to use them. So Microsoft Excel is a very good worksheet for especially making calculation, for making budgeting, since it deals with figures. So after making all your work here, you can also be in position to save your work, just like the way you do saving on a Microsoft Word. So you come to File, you save as, then you come there. If you want it to be on a desktop, you click there. then you'll be in position to name your file. You can name it item. You can just name it item 1. Item 1. Then you come and save here. Then you look for where there is Excel 972003 workbook. You come and click there. You're doing it in that way because you want, if maybe you send your work to anyone, any person can be in position to open with any window of their computer. So it is always very safe to save your work in Excel 972003 workbook. Then now you come and save. So you will find your work in the desktop, and if you have maybe not yet completed with your work, anytime you can just come and tap on that page, then you begin your work. Or if you have already finished the work and you want to send to maybe different people, you will be in position to just get the work from the desktop and then you send to the different people, and they will be in position to view and see that. So basically that is how we can really begin to use Microsoft Excel, the way of opening in a computer, working on it, and then saving it in a computer. So thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next lecture. Have a good day.